everybody. I thought I would just pop on because we've obviously been working really hard in rehearsals and I've been working quite a lot lately, so my hair's taken a little bit of a battering. It's feeling really, really rubbish, if I'm honest. The reason I'm telling you this is that I was sent this really lovely little hair care kit, and I've never done anything like this before. So I've been sent this really nice little hair care kit from Give Me Cosmetics. There's a shampoo and a conditioner and a hair mask and this really nice hairbrush. I'm going to go and wash my hair with this, the shampoo and conditioner, and then I shall come back, apply the mask for you to see, have a little comb through with the brush and see how we go. Okay, I'm back. I've washed my hair, and actually, do you know what? When I normally wash my hair, I really struggle to brush it out afterwards, and with that conditioner, that wasn't bad at all. It was a lot less knotty than it is usually when I brush it when it's wet. It's normally a bit of a nightmare, and I have to be like... So that's good. So now I'm gonna do the hair mask, and it says to massage into your hair, scalp from roots to tips. It's all on. I'm going to leave that for about 15 minutes. Then I shall rinse it off, dry my hair, and I'll be back to show you the results. Go make yourself a cup of tea. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I've rinsed off the hair mask. And do you know what? I'm really chuffed with the results. My hair, as a blonde, there are two things. I find it really difficult to find anything that makes my hair shiny. I always find it always just kind of looks a bit dull and rough, which is sometimes it's nice, but it's nice when your hair's straight like this to have shiny hair. And also, unless you're using like a blue or a silver shampoo, it's really difficult to get that really nice, clean blonde. I've found in the past when I've used other shampoos, if it's not a silver shampoo, that I don't get that nice clean blonde, and this feels like a really nice even tone. Oh, look how shiny that is under there. That's nice. Yeah, I've not got any, patches, or it's not gone a bit brassy anywhere, so that's a plus. It smells delicious. My new brush goes through it beautifully. Yeah, thank you, Give Me Cosmetics. I'm really pleased with that. I'm really happy. I've got shiny hair. I feel like I need to go out now. That is definitely coming with me on tour. This and the shampoo and conditioner are coming on tour with me, because that is going to be my saviour, I think, after many nights of styling and all sorts. So, yeah, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed, everybody, and I shall see you all soon.